The playoff race is heating up. Virat Kohli under pressure. KKR surging back to life. And in Raipur, two IPL giants collide in their very first meeting of IPL 2026. Hello and welcome to NewsX. I'm Kashish Dhawan. Tonight's IPL 2026 clash between Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Kolkata Knight Riders is far more than just another league game. One team is chasing a top two finish and the other one is fighting to keep its playoff dream alive. The match it will be held at the Shaheed Veer Narayan Singh International Stadium in Raipur, and let me tell you, both sides are entering in this contest with momentum, pressure and serious answers to question. Let me begin with RCB. Defending champions Bengaluru are currently sitting second on the table with 14 points, and another win could almost seal playoff qualification. But despite that strong position, there are concerns, especially around the batting unit. Virat Kohli, one of the biggest talking points tonight, is coming into this game after two consecutive ducks, something that has happened only twice in his IPL career. Yet, historically, Kohli loves batting against KKR. He has scored more than 1,000 IPL runs against Kolkata and he remains their biggest threat. And let me tell you what makes this rivalry so fascinating. And it is about Brendan McCullum's iconic 158 in 2008 in the very first IPL game to RCB's infamous 49 all out in 2017. This rivalry has repeatedly produced chaos, drama and unforgettable moments. RCB's batting depth has looked shaky recently. Against Mumbai Indians, they could barely cross the line despite being in control for most of the chase. Krunal Pandya and Bhuvneshwar Kumar, they had to come to the rescue in the final moments. But RCB's strength, let me tell you, it remains in their bowling attack. Josh Hazlewood and Bhuvneshwar Kumar have formed one of the most dangerous pace combinations this season. At Krunal Pandya's control in the middle overs and RCB, they have become a very balanced side under Rajat Patidar's leadership. Now, let's talk about KKR. They looked almost out of the playoff race a few weeks ago. But suddenly, they changed the game with 4 consecutive wins later and they are back in contention and carrying serious momentum into this very clash. Look, let me tell you, the turnaround has been largely driven by their bowling unit. Sunil Narine has once again become KKR's biggest weapon. His economy rate this season is among the best in the tournament, constantly creating pressure in the middle overs. Varun Chakravarti has also been sensational recently, although there are fitness concerns regarding him ahead of tonight's game. With bat, Rinku Singh has delivered in the pressure moments and Finn Allen has finally started firing. And Ajinkya Rahane's calm leadership has stabilized the side after a disastrous start. Now about the pitch report, Raipur is expected to offer a slightly slow pitch early on, helping the spinners and the cutters. But under light dew, it could have an impact factor, making chasing easier in the second innings. Talking about RCB versus KKR head-to-head, it is one of the oldest and most storied rivalries in IPL history. Kolkata Knight Riders, they lead Royal Challengers Bengaluru 20s to 15 across 36 IPL matches, with one game ending with no result. But Bengaluru have looked more consistent in this very season. Now talking about the probable 11s that could come in tonight, it for RCB, it can be Virat Kohli, Jacob Bethel, Rajat Patidar, Jitesh Sharma, Tim David, Romero Shepherd, Krunal Pandya, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Josh Hazlewood, Surya Sharma, Rashik Salamdar, Devdutt Padikkal. He could come in as an impact player. For KKR, the probable 11 could look like Ajinkya Rahane, Ankush Raghuvanshi, Cameron Green, Rinku Singh, Manish Pandey, Rovman Powell, Sunil Narayan, Anukul Roy, Kartik Tyagi, Vaibhav Arora, Prashant Solanki, and let me tell you, we can see Finn Allen coming in as an impact player. And also, watch out for the key battle between Virat Kohli versus Sunil Narayan. Now, despite Kohli's dominant numbers against KKR overall, one bowler has historically managed to contain him, and his name is Sunil Narine. The veteran mystery spinner has dismissed Kohli 4 times in the IPL clashes, restricting him to an average of 26.50 while keeping his strike rate down to just 101.78. Kohli has scored 178 runs off 168 balls against Sunil Narine. And KKR meanwhile knows that if Narine dismisses Kohli early or even keep him quiet inside the power play, the pressure ultimately shifts on to the RCB shaky middle order. Now tonight, it's experience versus experience, control versus aggression, and possibly the defining contest of the match. And it is not going to be just another match. For RCB, it is about sealing authority before the playoffs. For KKR, it is about survival. And in a season where momentum changes everything, tonight's result could define both the campaigns. Thank you for watching.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.